What's up, YouTube? Adam here. I got a cool new quadcopter to check out. This is a Virhuck. What's our number on this guy? Virhuck. It's nowhere on the box. Well, have a look at the box. Oh, there it is. This T905F. This is cool. This is a 5.8 gigahertz quadcopter FPV. They usually don't do unboxings to speak of, but this one comes in a pretty nice package. So let me open it up. We got a magnetic clip there, which is kind of neat. Nice for storage. And we got manual up front here. I guess that was folded in half to fit what looks like a pretty extensive manual. Oh yeah. A couple languages, I'd say. Yeah. So I got that. Got a warranty card, I believe. Yeah. Very nice. And there she is. Packed in there real nice. Pull that out. Look around. Looks pretty cool. Some LED lights here. Your camera. Batteries up tucked in there. It's just a quick peek here of what comes in the box. I have not even opened it yet. So, nice control. That feels good. Very cool. FPV screen. Very cool. It's a nice box. I'll be keeping this one to store it. What else we got? We got props. Spare props and some tools. I don't know if I'm gonna see if that opens up easy without tearing it apart. Spare props. We got a. Oh yeah, I think it comes with an SD card even. All right, I'm gonna rip it open here. Yeah, we got props. We got charge cable. Okay. Oh yeah, that's right. This has its own rechargeable LiPo. Don't drop it yet. That's screwed in. Get into more detail of the video in my full review. It's just a quick little unboxing to show you guys. Yeah, let's see. I'll just pull that out and sort through it in a minute. Screwdriver, a couple chargers, one for the controller battery, one for the drone, couple spare props. Not sure what these guys are. Oh, we just gotta go in these. Alright, it's kind of interesting. Little plugs. SD card reader. And an SD card. Very cool. You don't get that a lot these days. 4 gigabyte. Cool. Foam. And that's it. Very cool. Alright, I'm very interested to see how she performs. But, yeah, this is a Virhuck T905F, I believe they call it. 5.8 gigahertz FPV, big fan of that. Little camera, and she tilts. Oh yeah, made a little tilt on the camera. That's good. Well, I'm gonna get charged up and get a flight video coming out pretty soon. It's pretty lightweight, interesting, but yeah, full review and flight coming real soon. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.